What if clarity wasn't just a thought, but a feeling you could cultivate? What if ancient mushrooms held the secrets to not just longevity, but profound inner peace? Welcome, wisdom seekers, to the deepest dive yet into the profound world of traditional Chinese herbalism. Today, we're unveiling three remarkable botanicals, true mind and body harmonizers, that have been revered for centuries for their ability to bring balance, strengthen resilience, and foster a sense of calm. If you're ready to unlock these timeless secrets and elevate your understanding of natural wellness, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's expand our minds together. Our journey begins with polygala, known in China as yuan zhai. This fascinating root, typically harvested in the spring or autumn from regions like Henan and Shanxi, is far more than just another herb. It's historically considered a vital support for mental powers and spiritual calm. Traditionally, polygala has been a cornerstone for alleviating mental distress, helping to tranquilize the mind, and remarkably, promoting intelligence and comprehension. Imagine an ancient remedy for neurasthenia, a condition describing nervous exhaustion, irritability, anxiety, and restlessness. It was also a go-to for common challenges like palpitations, insomnia, excessive dreaming, and forgetfulness. It was even used for more severe conditions like hysteria and infantile convulsions, speaking to its broad traditional calming effects on the nervous system. What's truly unique about polygala in ancient texts is its special effect on the will. It's seen as a fortifier of mental resolve and inner strength, helping one stay centered and determined. Beyond its mental benefits, polygala has a strong traditional role in respiratory health. It's been used to clear what's termed phlegm, specifically to induce resuscitation and restore consciousness in cases of mental confusion or epilepsy associated with phlegm retention. This doesn't mean it's clearing mucus you can see, but rather a concept in traditional wisdom that describes energetic blockages and fogginess. More directly, it dissolves phlegm and helps relieve coughs, especially those with thick, difficult-to-expectorate sputum. This dual action on both mind and body highlights its holistic traditional application. Intriguingly, it's also recognized as a powerful anti-aging medicinal herb, hinting at its broad systemic benefits. Now let's bridge this ancient wisdom with modern scientific inquiry. Polygala root is rich in active compounds like triterpene saponins, xanthones, and oligosaccharides. Modern pharmacological studies have impressively validated its traditional uses, confirming its sedative, hypnotic, and anticonvulsant activities. Experiments have shown it has a calming effect, even enhancing the action of conventional sedatives in animal models, and can counteract chemically induced convulsions. This directly supports its traditional use for anxiety and calming the mind. On the respiratory front, research confirms its antitussive, cough-suppressing, and expectorant mucus-clearing properties in animal studies. Scientists believe this effect is partly a reflex caused by the saponins irritating gastrointestinal mucous membranes, which then triggers a beneficial response in the lungs. Fascinating, isn't it? Perhaps most exciting for our modern world, polygala has shown promising anti-dementia effects. When combined with other renowned herbs like ginseng and acorus, it has been shown to reduce impairment in learning and memory processes in studies on impaired mice. This is truly significant given the global challenge of cognitive decline. Beyond that, research has shown that extracts of polygala can increase the contraction and muscular tone of uterine muscles in various animal models, hinting at further physiological effects. It has also demonstrated hypotensive, blood pressure-lowering effects in rabbits and possesses bacteriostatic properties, showing it can inhibit bacterial growth. Clinically, polygala is successfully used as an expectorant. It has been effectively employed to treat chronic bronchitis and common colds characterized by copious sputum, offering a natural approach to respiratory comfort. This robust blend of mental and physical benefits makes polygala a truly unique and valuable herb dosage. Precautions, side effects. Typically, polygala is used in a decoction, with a dosage ranging from 3 to 10 grams. It can also be taken as a powder. Remember, this episode provides general knowledge and is not a substitute for medical advice. Please consult a qualified healthcare professional before beginning any new health regimen or using herbal supplements. Regarding precautions, individuals who suffer from gastric ulcers or gastritis, or those with symptoms of what's described as yin deficiency and hyperactivity of yang, meaning a lack of cooling, nourishing aspects with excessive active, heating aspects, should use this herb with caution or avoid it entirely. This speaks to its slightly warming nature. In terms of side effects, an overdose of polygala may cause nausea and vomiting, which aligns with its saponin content, potentially irritating the gastrointestinal tract in large amounts. Toxicological studies have indicated a relatively high oral LD50 in mice, suggesting a good safety margin at typical therapeutic doses. Always respect the dosage guidelines and the herb's specific characteristics. The mushroom of immortality. Next, we elevate our understanding to a true luminary in the herbal world, Ganoderma, more commonly known as reishi mushroom or ling zhai. This dried mushroom, growing wild on trees in humid southern Chinese provinces, has been revered for over 2,000 years. It's so significant that its name, ling zhai, translates to spirit mushroom or mushroom of immortality in ancient classics, a truly auspicious plant. Traditionally, reishi is unparalleled as a general tonic, often associated with promoting longevity and enhancing vitality. It's a cornerstone for calming the spirit and mind, widely used as a sedative and tranquilizer to address concerns like insomnia and dizziness. It's deeply valued for alleviating symptoms of low energy, general weakness, and overall debility. Imagine a natural tonic that supports your overall resilience and helps you maintain a sense of calm amidst life's challenges. Beyond its calming and tonifying effects, it also traditionally helps in arresting coughs and reducing asthma symptoms, and has been used for chronic bronchitis. Furthermore, ancient wisdom points to its use in helping to lower blood cholesterol levels, with people consuming it in teas or decoctions for hyperlipidemia and to alleviate symptoms of angina pectoris. It's truly considered a powerful anti-aging medicinal herb, a concept deeply ingrained in its name itself. The varieties of reishi are also quite fascinating. Depending on the color, there are at least 6 recognized types in China: green, red, yellow, black, white, and purple, all considered non-poisonous, edible, and highly beneficial. Now let's step into the realm of modern science, where reishi has become one of the most extensively researched medicinal mushrooms globally. Its chemical constituents are incredibly diverse, including ergosterol, beta-sitosterol, fungal enzymes like lysozyme and acid protease, a wide array of amino acids, sugars, volatile oils, and a rich profile of 13 essential minerals and vitamins B2 and C. This complex composition underpins its wide-ranging effects. Pharmacological studies have provided compelling evidence for reishi's traditional uses. It's a marked sedative, analgesic, pain-relieving, and anticonvulsive agent, largely attributed to its adenosine content, confirming its tranquilizing properties. In the respiratory system, it has demonstrated remarkable antitussive and anti-asthmatic actions in animal models, showing clear benefits for chronic bronchitis. It acts as a powerful heart tonic, significantly increasing coronary blood flow, which supports its traditional use for angina. One of reishi's most celebrated modern discoveries is its ability to enhance the autoimmune response, making it a potent immunomodulator. It helps protect the liver against damage from toxins and other stressors. Furthermore, and this is truly groundbreaking, reishi mushrooms have shown significant anti-cancer and anti-radiation benefits in various research models. Japanese and Chinese researchers have reported antitumorous effects from reishi extracts in rats and mice, and have even observed anti-radiation results in transplanted tumors. This points to its potential as a complementary therapy in cancer treatments. Adding to its impressive list, reishi acts as an anti-allergenic, inhibiting histamine release and preventing experimental asthma and contact dermatitis. It also demonstrates hypoglycemic, blood sugar lowering, hypotensive, blood pressure lowering, and diuretic fluid balancing properties, and aids in hyperlipidemia. Clinically, recent breakthroughs include the use of Ganoderma spores in cancer therapy. A specific product, Ganodermates, made from reishi spores, has been explored as a complementary cancer therapy in China. Clinical trials, like one involving 80 carcinoma patients, have shown that Ganodermates inhibited cancer cell growth, significantly increased immunity, including T4 lymphocytes, and regulated the immune system in cancer patients. Crucially, it also helped reduce the debilitating side effects of chemotherapy and radiation, while offering additional benefits like lowering blood sugar and lipid levels. This is truly where ancient wisdom meets modern medicine in a profound way. Dosage, precautions, side effects. Reishi mushroom is typically consumed in a tincture or decoction, with a dosage ranging from 8 to 15 grams or 3 grams daily in powdered form. As a critical reminder, this content is for informational purposes only and should not be used for self-diagnosis or self-treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating any new herb or supplement into your health routine. While generally considered safe at therapeutic doses, it's traditionally advised that people without specific deficiencies in vitality, blood, or cooling-warming aspects should not take this herb as a general tonic, as its profound balancing effects are most beneficial when there's an imbalance to address. Overdose reports have indicated that a few patients might experience nausea, vomiting, stomach irritation, diarrhea, dry mouth, dizziness, insomnia, excessive dreaming, or a flushed face. There have also been documented cases of skin rashes and very rarely allergic shock reactions, particularly from injections. These instances, while rare, underscore the importance of careful usage and professional guidance. Biota seed by Zai Ren, the heart nourisher and inner calmer. Our final herb for today's deep dive is biota seed, known as Bai Zai Ren. These small, precious kernels, harvested from the Platycladus orientalis tree found across China, have been esteemed since ancient times for their nourishing and balancing qualities. Traditionally, biota seeds were seen as highly nutritious and even fattening in a positive, nourishing sense. They've been a staple for respiratory ailments and convulsive disorders in children, showcasing their calming and supportive nature. Beyond that, they are remarkably effective for eliminating profuse night sweats, which often indicates an internal imbalance. They also act as an active agent for treating constipation, particularly when dryness is a factor, and for supporting liver health. In modern traditional practice, biota seeds are primarily prescribed to relieve mental strain, calm palpitations, and address insomnia, reflecting their core benefit as a heart nourisher and mind sedator. This makes them a wonderful addition to natural approaches for stress management. It's also considered a good anti-aging medicinal herb, emphasizing its long-term benefits for well-being. Now, let's explore the scientific underpinnings of biota seed. Chemical analysis reveals that biota seed contains about 14% fatty oil, a small amount of essential oil, various fatty acids, saponins, and benzene. This rich oil content is key to some of its actions. Pharmacological findings strongly support its traditional uses. Firstly, and quite directly, biota seed is confirmed to moisten the intestines and effectively relieve constipation, particularly beneficial for dryness-related issues. This aligns perfectly with its traditional application. Secondly, and very importantly for its mental benefits, biota seed acts as a sedative and helps to reduce heart rate. Studies in mice have shown its sedative effects, and it can even work synergistically with conventional sedatives, demonstrating its genuine calming power. These findings underscore why it has been a go-to for insomnia, palpitations, and general mental unease for centuries. While clinical findings for biota seed specifically aren't as widely published as for some other powerhouse herbs like reishi, its consistent traditional use for nervous system support and bowel regulation. Combined with these verified pharmacological actions, solidifies its place as a valuable herb for balancing both mind and body. It's a testament to the fact that not every powerful herb needs extensive modern clinical trials to demonstrate its efficacy, especially when millennia of traditional use speak volumes. And with that, we conclude our incredible journey into the mind and body harmonizers. From Polygala's unique ability to sharpen the mind and strengthen the will, to Reishi's profound power as the mushroom of immortality, bringing broad resilience and calm, to Biota Seed's gentle nurturing of the heart and digestive system. These herbs remind us that true wellness is about balance, vitality, and inner peace. What an extraordinary tapestry of wisdom and science we've woven today. If this deep dive resonated with you, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who seeks a deeper understanding of holistic health, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these harmonizers fascinates you most? Stay curious, stay balanced, and continue to explore the timeless healing gifts of the natural world. I'll see you next time for even more groundbreaking insights.